So what do you think about study online instead of going to school?
Hmm, I think study online is more comfortable uh, because we can learn from anywhere.
Not sure we agree with you, Duta. I think learning at school is better because we can focus more and ask teacher directly.
Hmm, that's a good point. The key, but sometimes going to school takes a lot of time. Don't you think online schools have time?
We can use the extra time to do other things or study more subject.
That's true, but not everyone has a good internet connection or the place to study.
Right. So maybe a mix of online and offline class would be the best combo, right?
Yes.
Totally different and balance.
Mm. Yes, I agree too. Hybrid learning friends for everyone.
Hi Sylvie, what do you think about online learning?
I think it's good because we can study anywhere.
I agree, it's really flexible.
But I don't think so. It's hard to focus at home.
Yeah, that's true. Sometimes.
But at least we can save time and transportation costs, right?
That's good point. Maybe it depends on the person's study habits.
Guys, what do you think of using ebooks instead of printed books? In my view, ebooks are very effective. We can read anywhere without carrying ebooks.
I absolutely agree. There's also cheaper and easy to find online.
I'm sorry, I have to disagree because reading on a screen for too long can hurt our eyes. I still prefer printed books.
That's true, but I think we can adjust screen brightness or take breaks while reading.
Yeah, that's right. And e-book and more eco-friendly since we don't use paper.
Others will have their own benefits. Maybe ebooks are good for quick reading, but printed books are better for studying.
I agree. So we can use both depending on our needs.
What do you think about having classes this semester?
In my opinion, it's good because we save time in traveling.
I agree. We definitely have more free time.
However, I'm not sure it's perfect. I feel that one class makes me hard to focus.
That's a good point. Maybe we could mix online and face-to-face.
Yes, I think a hybrid model be the best.
I agree with you, Salsa. Movie can make us happy and relaxed.
I don't really agree with you, Yulia. Sometimes movies make people lazy.
That's good, but movies can also teach us good lessons.
Yes, movie have good and bad sides.
Alright, we just need to watch them wisely.
Hey Talia, do you think breakfast is important?
Yes, I do. My business is give me energy to focus.
I don't agree. I feel full and slow if I eat early.
I see, but I believe it's healthier.
Maybe you're right. I agree with you on the health part.
Guys, I just saw some news saying online classes might be next semester. What do you think? Do you prepare online or offline learning?
Honestly, I prefer offline classes because it's easier to focus and we can talk to the lecturer directly.
Really? I actually like online classes more. I think it's more flexible and I can study from anywhere.
That's interesting, Aya. But Latifa, why do you think offline is better?
Well, when we're in class, it feels more active and I can understand better. when the lecturer explains things face to face.
Yeah, your opinion is correct, but sometimes offline classes take a lot of time, especially for students who live far away.
That's right. So what would you say if we combine both, like giving some classes online and others offline?
That actually sounds nice. Hybrid learning could be a good idea.
I totally agree. Online classes for flexibility and offline classes for real interaction.
Great. So we all agree that hybrid learning might be the best opinion.
We need an idea for the school festival. What do you think?
I think we should have a music show. It is fun.
I don't think so. Music is loud. I think a food festival is better. Food is so young.
But music is more exciting.
Okay, stop. I agree with Acha. A food festival is good for everyone. But we can also have some music.
I agree. We can have food and a little music.
Okay, that's a good idea. I agree.
Okay, good. We all agree.